Space exploration is a fascinating journey that allows us to push beyond the boundaries of our understanding of the cosmos. Every day, extraordinary discoveries and pioneering missions reveal ever more astonishing secrets, leading us to reflect on the vastness of the universe and our place within it. From potential threats posed by near-Earth asteroids to technological advancements that could revolutionize space navigation and missions that push us to the most remote edges of the solar system and beyond, the landscape of space exploration is constantly evolving. In this context, the latest news provides insight into the future potential of science and technology. Lately, scientists have focused their attention on an asteroid named 2024 YR4, discovered at the end of 2024. This asteroid raised concerns about a possible collision with Earth, predicted for December 22, 2032. With an estimated diameter between 40 and 90 meters, initial observations indicated an impact probability exceeding 1%, classifying the risk using the system that measures the threat of near-Earth objects. This assessment prompted NASA and ESA to intensify monitoring efforts to better understand the asteroid's orbit. Over time, the estimated probability of impact increased, reaching up to 3.1%. However, further observations allowed for more precise trajectory calculations, progressively reducing the probability of impact to negligible levels. Consequently, 2024 YR4 was downgraded to level 0 on the Torino scale, indicating it is no longer a threat to our planet. Yet, while the risk of an asteroid impact has been ruled out, new frontiers of space exploration continue to open, leading to the discovery of new technologies, missions, and milestones. For instance, on March 2nd, the Blue Ghost lander, developed by the American company Firefly Aerospace, successfully landed. Launched on January 15th from Cape Canaveral aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, Blue Ghost completed a 6-week journey before landing in Mare Crisium, a basaltic plain on the visible side of the Moon. This achievement marks the second successful landing of a private vehicle on the Moon, following the success of Intuitive Machines in 2024. Blue Ghost carries several NASA scientific instruments, including Lugre, an experimental receiver built entirely in Italy by Chiascom, in collaboration with the Italian Space Agency and the Polytechnic University of Turin. Lugre was designed to test the possibility of receiving GNSS signals, GPS and Galileo, on the lunar surface, a crucial step for the autonomous navigation of future robotic and human missions. Before its arrival on the Moon, Lugre had already set records by successfully connecting to GNSS networks from a record distance of 432,000 kilometers. On March 3rd, a day after landing, the instrument was successfully activated, communicating with Earth and achieving a major success for the experiment. Blue Ghost will continue to operate with all its scientific instruments until the end of the lunar day, which lasts about 14 Earth days. Space exploration missions continue to make significant progress. The Europa Clipper probe, launched on October 14, 2024, has traveled more than 85 million kilometers and recently performed a successful gravity assist maneuver with Mars. The flyby, which took place on March 1st, brought the probe just 884 kilometers from the Martian surface. The mission aims to study the subsurface ocean of Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, to assess its habitability potential. This step is crucial for exploring the possibilities of life beyond Earth. Meanwhile, the Italian Space Agency has recently initiated Phase B of the TEIST mission, which focuses on studying Deimos, one of Mars's moons. The project aims to determine whether Deimos is a captured asteroid or a fragment of Mars. This study could provide critical insights into the history and composition of Mars and its satellites. On February 18th, the Solar Orbiter mission, a collaboration between ESA and NASA, made its closest approach to Venus. Passing just 379 kilometers from the planet's surface, the flyby utilized Venus's gravity to adjust the probe's orbital inclination, allowing for direct observation of the Sun's poles, which are impossible to observe from Earth. This event marked a significant step forward in understanding our Sun and its influence on the solar system. In another major development, on February 24th, Italy and the United Arab Emirates signed 2 agreements for space collaborations. Italy will contribute the MUN instrument to analyze the lunar surface in the Rashid Rover 3 mission, and will provide technical and scientific support for the Emirates mission to Asteroids, dedicated to studying asteroids. These space collaborations not only strengthen international partnerships, but also open new opportunities for shared scientific discoveries. On February 26th, China announced the launch of the Solar Polar Orbit Observatory mission, scheduled for 2029. This mission aims to study the sun's poles, providing crucial data on the solar cycle and the phenomena affecting our solar system. In the vast universe, astronomers have recently mapped in 3D the atmosphere of an exoplanet, WASP 120b. This gas giant, similar to Jupiter, orbits very close to its host star and has a rotation period of about 30 Earth hours. Using the Very Large Telescope, scientists reconstructed its atmosphere, revealing complex stratification and winds that are 100 times faster than those on Jupiter. This discovery adds a new chapter to the study of exoplanets and their atmospheric conditions. Additionally, the Euclid Space Telescope has recently discovered one of the brightest Einstein rings ever observed. This phenomenon occurs when the gravity of a massive object bends the light of a distant galaxy, creating an almost perfect ring. The discovery, located about 590 million light-years from Earth, provides new insights into dark matter and galaxy formation, two of the most intriguing and complex mysteries of modern astronomy. Finally, on February 12th, NASA announced the completion of the protective cover installation for the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. This cover is designed to shield the telescope from unwanted light during astronomical observations. On February 22nd, NASA also awarded SpaceX the contract to launch the NEOS Surveyor Space Telescope, scheduled for 2026, which will be capable of detecting and tracking near-Earth objects. On February 28th, after more than 22 years of operation, ESA's Integral Space Telescope officially concluded its scientific mission. Launched in October 2002, Integral provided crucial data on the universe in gamma rays, contributing to the understanding of extreme phenomena such as black holes and supernovae. The end of this mission marks an important chapter in the history of astronomy, but at the same time, it paves the way for new missions and discoveries. Every day, our gaze toward space is enriched with new discoveries that not only help us better understand the cosmos, but also prepare us for the future of space exploration. With each mission, with each technological advancement, we come closer to understanding the universe around us, ready to face new challenges and mysteries in a never-ending journey. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on upcoming videos.